Hello student, Gokul classes, welcome to everybody. Then today I am going to present you about the sentences. Then what is sentence? Then what are the types of sentences? I am going to discuss before you about the type of sentences. Then you know that what is sentence? Having arranged a group of words in a particular order, if it makes a complete sentence, that is called sentence, or a combination of words that comes in a particular order, if it makes a complete sentence, that is called sentence. So a sentence means a combination of words that comes in a particular order having subject and predicate. Then we can say that it is sentence. Now you see, what are the types of sentences? Generally, sentences are of three types. Sentences are of three types. What are they? They are simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. Then simple sentence means sarala vakya, compound sentence means yogika vakya, and complex sentence means jatila vakya. Then today I am going to present you this class in for the Odia medium students. So it is very vital chapter about the sentence. Sometimes we are getting puzzled to recognize about the sentences, whether the sentence is simple, compound or complex. Now I try my best to clear about the sentences and type of sentences. You see, it is a diagram of sentence, and that is one clause, that is simple sentence, and more than one clause, that is compound, and that is complex. Then two or more coordinate clauses, that is called compound sentence, and one main clause plus one or more than one subordinate clauses, that is called complex sentence. Then now I am going to discuss about the simple sentence. What is simple sentence? What is the definition of simple sentence? You see, what is simple sentence? A sentence consisting of a subject with one finite verb, that is called simple sentence. Then you say, what is finite verb? A verb which indicates tense in a sentence, that is called finite verb. Then now you see the diagram of the sentence. Then today I am going to discuss about the simple sentence, a sentence consisting of a subject with one finite verb. Now you show the diagram of the different sentences. Now I am going to present before you about the simple sentence. What is simple sentence? Then a sentence consisting of a subject with one finite verb is called simple sentence. ताले जो वाक्यटा हमर कोन ना गोटिए समापिका क्रिया एवं गोटिए विषय द्वारा गठित होइतो सेही वाक्य को हम कोन सरल वाक्य। ताले समापिका क्रिया कोन ताले व्हाट इज फाइनाइट वर्ब? व्हाट इज फाइनाइट वर्ब? You see, a verb which indicates tense in a sentence is called finite verb. ताले हम समापिका क्रिया का कहबा ना a verb which indicates tense in a sentence is called finite verb. ताले जो क्रियाटा वाक्य रे हमर कोन ना टेंस सूचित करछि ताको हम कहबा कोन ना सरल वाक्य ताको कहबा कोन ना समापिका क्रिया. ताले समापिका क्रिया कोन हम वर्तमान देखिबा. एग्जांपल Hari is reading book. Hari was reading book. Then I have written two sentences. One is Hari is reading book. Hari was reading book. You see, then subject is same in the first sentence Hari, and in the second sentence also the subject is Hari, and that is the same book and reading. In both sentences, reading in first sentence reading and second sentence also that is reading. But we cannot know about the tense from the ing form of the verb that is reading. Then which verb indicate tense in the sentences? Then you see it is the is the present form verb and was is the past form verb. So particularly definitely this verb indicate tense in a sentence. It refers to present tense and the verb was it refers to past tense. So he is reading book. In this sentence, is the finite verb, and Hari was reading book. In this sentence, was the finite verb. Then, what is finite verb? A verb which indicates tense in a sentence, that is called finite verb. Now, we proceed to about the types of simple sentences. What are the types of simple sentences? You see, simple sentences are of four kinds. ताले सरल वाक्य केते प्रकार ना सरल वाक्य होचे हमर केते चारि प्रकार. What are they? They are one that is declarative sentence. Number two, that is interrogative sentence. And number three, that is imperative sentence. And number four, that is exclamatory sentence. Then you see, there are four kinds of simple sentences, or simple sentences are of four kinds. What are they? They are declarative sentence. Declarative sentence means विवृत्ति सूचक वाक्य. Interrogative sentence प्रश्न सूचक वाक्य. Imperative sentence आदेश अनुज्ञा सूचक वाक्य. Exclamatory sentence विस्मय सूचक वाक्य. Then simple sentences are of four kinds. Then what is declarative sentence? A sentence which states about fact and opinion, that is called declarative sentence. Suppose example, Puri is famous for Lord Jagannath. He is a student. Ram is a good boy. I live in India. These are the assertive sentence or affirmative sentence that is called declarative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence, a sentence which inquires about questions, that is called interrogative sentence. Further, interrogative sentences are of two types. What are they? That is yes no question and WH question. What is yes no question? Suppose, are you a teacher? Yes, I am a teacher. Or no, I am not a teacher. That is yes no question. What is WH question? WH question, who are you? What are you? Where are you going? That is called WH question. Like this, imperative sentence. You see, what is imperative sentence? A sentence which expresses about request, order, command, suggestion, instruction, warning, etc. That is called imperative sentence. So, imperative sentences are of 9 types. Then what are the imperative? What are the imperative sentences? They are request. What is the example? Please come here. That is request. And order, bring me a glass of water. That is called order. And commanded the soldier to march on. That is command. And warning, don't touch the living wire. That is warning. And advice, get up early in the morning. That is advice. And good wishes or wish, may God bless you. That is wish. And instruction, don't write on the question paper. That is instruction. And that is another suggestion. Let's go on a picnic. That is suggestion. In this way, the imperative sentences are of 9 types. And exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? A sentence which expresses about certain feeling and emotion. That is called exclamatory sentence. Though it has no negative sentence. When declarative sentence which states about fact and opinion, interrogative sentence inquires about questions. So interrogative questions are of 2 types, yes no question and WH question. And imperative sentences are of 9 types. They are request, order, command, suggestion, instruction, warning, prayer, good wishes. Like this exclamatory sentence, it is one which expresses about certain feeling and emotion. Exclamatory sentence, how beautiful the sky is, how foolish you are. Like this, these are the exclamatory sentence. So now we learned about the different type of sentences and we discussed about the simple sentence. What is simple sentence? A sentence consisting of a subject with one finite verb, that is called simple sentence. Further, simple sentences are of 4 kinds. They are declarative sentence, and that is interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. In another class, we shall discuss about the various pattern of the declarative sentence. Then, thanks to all.